started here in Henry County. Ask around town if you wanna know something about me. They'll say that I be flowing great, that I'm a little overweight. I'm Milledale born, though I've been here since '98. Before then I resided up in Augusta. From pre-K to first grade, with nothing that you can tell us. From a youngin' to a man, this is who I became. Ain't nothing changed about me, I always remain the same. But people is hella fake and be talking like they know me. In actuality, they ain't familiar with the old me. Way back when I was frontin', trying to be someone I wasn't. Never had a bunch of money, but with floss like I was stuntin'. Never understood why I was so influenced by busters. Fuck niggas who probably got no respect from their mothers. In the streets committing crimes, breaking keys down in the dime. Steady clutching on their nines, getting locked and doing time. I promised my mama something that's so serious and real, that she would never get that phone call from me in jail. On the phone crying, pleading for her to come pay my bail. Cause if that ever happens, then that would mean that I failed to be the type of man that I wanted to be. Never wanted her to say she disappointed in me. And my dad told me something that made me who I am. He said go in the jails and make you become a man. I just wanna make them proud of their only son is true. Cause rapping's all I got, I really suck at fucking school. It ain't because I'm stupid, I got a brain and I use it. But every time I pick up that pen, I'm writing music. I guess I'm kinda cursed, I'm putting music first. Fuck that homework shit, nigga, I'm about to kill a verse. These rappers now don't get it, I'm focused and so committed. This shit that I be spitting, these niggas ain't coming with it. Seems like everybody wanna be a rapper, but nobody tryna put in the work. Put they everything into it, see they dream and go pursue it. And do hours of recording while they spitting they verse. They be thinking it's a game, they could write a couple things, say it any kind of way and get overnight fame. Nah, but if it happens in the midst of your slumber, then you have a good time being a one-hit wonder. Cause I'm tryna make classics, rap shit that's fantastic. Y'all think y'all be smashing, nah, y'all barely average. Y'all be acting passive, me, I'm staying active. Y'all in it for the money while I'm in it for the passion. Fabricate your past and me, I'm never acting. Anything I'm rapping, understand that it happened. Well, rapping, I'm surgical, I'm talented and versatile. Started doing real shit just to keep the music personal. Cause off the simple fact, I wanted y'all to feel me, but see it from my eyes so that you can know the real me. Fell in love with a girl I can't even have, which really fucking sucks, cause she's like my other half. She going with an ex, I think she should've left, but I won't interfere, sweetie, I wish you the best. I told myself right from the very beginning, I will be completely honest and loyal to these women. I'm Philly born, Henry County bred it. I'm from here, bitch, I rep it. This my town, I won't forget it, don't regret it. Cause honestly, my life is fucking good. Shuts out to my parents for getting us out the hood. I'm reppin' H-Code, the one place that I know. Steady coming with this Bruton Smith Parkway flow. From Oakland to Luella on the day I graduated. All the teachers and students know this is what you created. Jones.